Vegan meats, as controversial as they may be to some, are on the rise in many different forms. You can buy them in stores, order them in restaurants, and make them inexpensively at home. I'm going to show you how to make gluten-free seitan using an ingredient that just might surprise you. Let's go to my kitchen. I'm going to show you how to make gluten-free seitan using a can of peas, plus a lush gremolata. Let's get started. In a food processor, combine 1 can or 1 3/4 cups cooked peas, 3 tablespoons tamari, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon sweet paprika, 4 tablespoons psyllium husk powder, great for your colon, and blend. Add a splash of water to help blend, and mix until you have a compact dough with no lumps. Using a sheet of plastic wrap, shape the mixture to form a loaf. Remove the dough from the plastic and wrap it in parchment paper. Make it nice and snug so it maintains its shape and doesn't expand. Next, wrap the package in aluminum foil. Don't worry about aluminum seeping into your food, as the parchment will keep it from touching. Wrap it firmly and twist the ends to seal it. Place the wrapped loaf in your steamer and cook for an hour. Once the hour is up, remove from heat and let it cool completely. Unwrap the seitan, removing it from both the foil and the parchment. Look at how beautifully it formed, and its consistency is just like glutinous seitan. I'll cut a little piece to show you. Look at that. You see how pliant it is? And you can make so many different recipes with this. It's great, very versatile and gluten-free. Beautiful, perfect consistency. Using a sharp knife, slice it crosswise to form 2 steaks. Combine the marinade ingredients: a 1/4 cup tamari, 1 tablespoon maple syrup, 1/4 tablespoon smoked paprika, and stir. Immerse the fillets, coating them on both sides. You can see how readily it absorbs the marinade, which makes it adaptable for innumerable recipes. Heat 1/2 cup extra virgin olive oil in a skillet on medium-low. Add 2 garlic cloves, 3 rosemary sprigs. Remove the seitan from the marinade and place it in the frying pan. Cook each seitan steak on both sides until golden brown. Let it rest 5 minutes before serving. Let's make the gremolata. In a food processor, combine roughly chopped 1 cup parsley leaves, 2 green onions, 2 garlic cloves, 1 1/2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 teaspoon lemon zest, 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon capers. Pulse until the gremolata has a pesto-like consistency. Transfer to a bowl and refrigerate for an hour. And there we have our lovely bright gremolata to spread atop our gluten-free seitan steaks. Just look at how it slices. So meatily. Tender, meaty, and the sauce gives a perfect combination of parsley, garlic, and lemon. Perfect. 20 grams of protein per serving, no need to disturb the animals. gluten-free seitan using a can of peas. Be sure to subscribe to the Lucia's Vegan Lifestyle YouTube channel and follow on Instagram, where you'll find more vegan recipes.